Welcome to Artisan Building and Remodeling. This is our Berlin headquarters located at 230 Deming Road. I'll show you around. This is our main customer lobby. Here you can answer any questions, take any payments, just say hi or schedule any appointments. Let's go check out our billing department.
Hey guys, welcome to billing. Thanks for stopping by. Here we do everything from working with your insurance adjusters to make sure that your claims are handled properly, to setting you up for financing, all the way to closing out your accounts. If you need something, just give us a call. Let's check out what production's doing.
Hey, how are you? This is Ryan, production coordination. This is where your projects are brought to life.
Welcome to Artisan Building and Remodeling. This is our warehouse behind me. You can see a little bit of what we have going on, but basically we have shingles that are all temperature controlled, with all of our proper underlayments, everything that we use on our roofing projects day to day. Everything's stored in here, easily accessible. Like I said to start, all temperature control, which is great for especially this time of year when it's really cold outside. Back over here, you can see more of kind of the material and everything that we have. We have skylights that we've had ordered in the past. We have all of our shingles, all different colors, all ready to go. In the back over here, we also have all of our plywood ready to go for our job sites whenever we show up in the mornings. We bring some extra to make sure that as we go, all material is accounted for. And then basically you can see it's an ever-moving project in here. We're moving pretty quickly. And so with all that being said, a lot of material moves in and out of this warehouse on a daily basis.
Hey there, this is our conference room. This is where all of our experts meet up and we discuss our game plan for the rest of the week and go over training, how to be a better team. And this is our call center.
Let's go see what marketing's up to.
And this is where we handle all of our marketing and events.
You've probably seen us on TV before, but if you haven't and you see us out or at a show, come say hi.
Thanks for checking us out. We look forward to your next visit. Give us a call or come by so we can take care of all of your exterior remodeling needs.
Come visit us.